really don't know how I got here, but I definitely know where I'm going. This, I need a prayer and a miracle. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michelle. In today's video, I'm going to be steaming my natural hair throughout my deep conditioning process. I forgot how beneficial steaming is. Your girl is going to revisit it today because my hair has really been struggling retaining moisture. I feel like it's because of the color in my hair. If you guys do not know, I did color my hair maybe a year and a half ago. I definitely feel like it changed my hair's texture and it's made my hair feel really dry. And it doesn't help that I have low porosity hair. I'm honestly struggling with my hair and I don't like the way it feels. Normally when I deep condition my hair, I will sit under a hooded dryer, or sometimes I'll just keep a plastic cap on it and let my body's temperature warm it up by itself and call it a day. But as you can see, my hair is struggling, so I'm gonna have to fix her up. My tresses aren't too happy with me and it's giving breakage. It's really giving breakage. I haven't really been taking care of my hair like I should, and I'm guilty of that. So today I'm going to be steaming my hair throughout my deep conditioning process so that we can restore, we can bring back all of the moisture that your girl lost. You clicked on this video because you in the same boat, okay? So we're not judging over here. This can get fixed. I promise you this can get fixed. So I currently have my hair in these two little, whatever you want to call them, whole bunch of buildup. My scalp is dry. It's just not, I'm actually embarrassed to show you guys the state that my hair is in, but you know I gotta do the before and after so that you guys see that this does do what it do. So I'm gonna jump in the shower off camera and just shampoo my hair for you guys, and then when I come back, we're gonna jump right into the steaming process. So make sure that you watch all the way through, follow through, take notes, because steaming is not only just good for your face, but it's great for the natural hair. Before we get into that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys when my hair is. All right guys, so I washed my hair. My hair looks so much better, it feels so much better now that I got all the buildup out of my hair. This is the steamer that I'm using. It's by the brand Easy Basics. It's actually a facial steamer, but of course we're going to use it for the hair as well. It's a 2-in-1. Actually paid I think $27 for it, but I also put it in the description if you want to try it out for yourself. So right now I'm just going to turn it on, let it warm up. It takes about 30 to 45 seconds before that steam starts to come. Steaming your hair helps to encourage blood flow, circulation to your scalp. It helps to lift the hair cuticle, allowing your treatments and your products to work deeper into your scalp. And being that I have low porosity hair, my hair has a hard time absorbing any type of products. It likes to sit on top of the hair instead of working its way through it. So this is going to soften my hair and open up my cuticle so that when I apply my deep conditioner, it's gonna really work and really deeply penetrate as it should. Steaming your hair also helps to unclog your pores. It also helps to remove like buildup in your scalp. Also reduces breakage and helps to retain moisture. So now that I've done this for a couple of seconds, now I'm gonna separate my hair off into tiny sections and then start to apply my conditioner. My cuticles are starting to open up and I'm able to really work my fingers through my hair without having to use any tools. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Mask, as well as some raw organic honey. These two pair really well together, and being that I have low porosity hair and my hair is really dry, adding the honey to my deep conditioner really helps to soften and retain the moisture, being that honey is a humectant and it works really good with low porosity hair. I'm going to take it and I'm going to apply it. This is something you can do throughout the week as well. You don't need to steam your hair every day. Once a week is sufficient, but even if you just want to refresh your hair throughout the week and it's not wash day, I feel like your hair needs a boost of some moisture, I highly recommend doing this as well with like your leave-in, an oil or cream, doing the lock method or the LOC method. You can feel a difference already, y'all. It's working, y'all. It's working. I'm getting a 2-in-1. We taking care of the face and we taking care of the tresses. Look at that. It's amazing what a little bit of steam can do for your hair. I also forgot to mention, when you're using your steamer, make sure to use distilled water. Do not use tap water because it will mess up the machine. And also, you want all the natural nutrients. You don't want any chemicals or toxins into your hair. So I highly suggest using distilled water. Yes, moisture. You're gonna notice such a difference in your hair. I can tell that my hair is really taking this deep conditioner as opposed to when I don't put any heat. I feel like my hair doesn't reap all the benefits that it could. You want to really retain as much moisture as possible. Now I'm able to really detangle my hair, and it looks so much better, feels so much better. You'll see the conditioner sitting on top of my hair. Wow, what a difference. Big difference. I really want to focus on these ends. Ends are suffering the most, so if your ends are really dry, you want to make sure to really let that steam hit them ends for a couple of seconds. After I apply the conditioner, I'm just going to work my fingers through it and let the steamer just do what it has to do. It's giving very much spa vibes for me. You can see the difference between when you steam your hair and when you don't. When I apply the product to my hair without steaming it, you can see that the product just sits on top of my hair. As opposed to if I was steaming it, you can see no product builds up. There's no residue. It looks very moisturized and just hydrated. And on this side, you can see that the product is literally just sitting on top of my strands. Wow, that's all I can say is wow. Y'all see the results? My hair looks amazing. It feels amazing, and it no longer feels dry. It feels stronger. It feels healthier. A little bit of steam really goes a long way. And if you are somebody that has really dry hair, you guys already know I say this in all my videos, but it's so important to deep condition your hair properly. Just adding an additional steamer to your hair care routine can make such a difference in your overall look and appearance of your hair. The curls came back to life. I'm gonna be doing this every single week. Just like when I deep condition my hair, I'm just gonna add this extra step to it just to give my hair that extra oomph. If you have really dry hair, low porosity hair, I highly recommend that you start steaming your hair. It's very quick, it's very easy, and you only need about a good 15 to 20 minutes. But yeah, your girl's back. If you watch this video, go on Amazon, Walmart, TJ Maxx, wherever it is, and go run and get you that steamer. It's a lifesaver. It's a game changer. You guys see for yourself. My curls are back. I'm not looking crusty and dusty anymore. Just giving moisture, she's back to life. So I'm just gonna let this sit in for another maybe 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna follow up when rinsing my conditioner out with cool to warm water. Never want to rinse your hair out with hot water because that's just gonna keep your cuticles open. You want to close the cuticles. We don't want too much heat. You know, the heat dries the hair out. We just came back from that. So we don't want to play ourselves and add any more damage than we need to, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I'll also be sure to link the steamer down below in the description if you want to get the exact same one that I got. But again, a steamer is a steamer. Don't even matter. With that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.